How to use WooCommerce. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use WooCommerce for your WordPress website. Now, having said that, let's just jump into it. So this is my WordPress dashboard right here, and what you need to do is you need to sign up onto WordPress, or if you don't want to use WordPress, you can find some other websites such as Bluehost or to get some hostings for your WooCommerce, because it's not free. So you need to have a hosting and a website to install WooCommerce on your WordPress. Now you can do that with Bluehost, but it's not going to be free. So over here, as you can see, we have this option right here, WordPress made easy. It's $2.95 per month, and web hosting done right for that as well. You get a free domain for first year, total WordPress design freedom, 300 design template, drag and drop WordPress builder, and all that good stuff. So if you want to use Bluehost, you can do that, or you can find some other hosting services online. But if you don't want to pay, what you can do is you can go over to this website called pantheon.io, and over here what you're going to do is you're going to create a new account. Now once you created an account, you're going to create a new website on it, and then you're going to install WordPress for that website. So as you can see, I've installed these two websites over here. So what you're going to do is you can go ahead and create a new one. So let me just go over to the dashboard real quick and show you how it's done. So over here, as you can see, I have two sites. What you're going to do is you're going to create a new site. All right, so over here we click on sites. On the left side we have a bunch of different options. We click on sites, and over here we just simply click on create a new website. But and just go with the process. Wait a couple of seconds for the dashboard to be loaded up. Over here, just choose the region. All right, just enter in the name of your website. It can be anything, and then just choose the regions. And once you're done, you can go over to this dashboard over here. Once you've installed WordPress, it's very easy. Just follow along the instructions. They're very easy. You can do that in just a couple of minutes. So let me just show you. So if I come over here, I just name the website, right? I'll go with 30 with 30. Click on continue. It's very easy, though I would suggest that the best way is going with Bluehost, but after doing everything, it costs about $60, I think, or 50, but this way you won't have to pay that fee. This is completely free, but the downside is that your URL is going to be way too long. So over here, as you can see, this is the URL, the dev underscore the social guide 20. This is going to be your URL. It's very big, but if you choose hosting, then your domain name isn't going to be that long. It's going to be a custom domain, and it can be anything you want if it's available. So let's just assume that you've created the site, and you've managed to create a site, and you've installed WordPress, and you're here onto the dashboard. What you're going to do is you're going to go over to plugins. All right, I'm going to go over to plugins. Now if you haven't done that, you can't install plugins on WordPress unless you have a paid plan or whatsoever, and the minimum paid plan is the business plan. You can't use the pro plan, so keep that in mind. So I'm going to go ahead and add a new plugin over here, and once I'm over here, I'm just going to search for WooCommerce. So over here, as you can see, this is the plugin right here. I just simply click on install. Okay, so once the WordPress has been installed, as you can see over here, you just have to click on activate to activate the plugin itself. So once it's activated, wait a couple of seconds, give it some time to activate. It'll take you over to this part of the website where you just have to set up your WordPress account. So you have 5 options. So you have store details, industry, product type, business detail, and theme. And once you're done, we can get started with the main theme. So I'm going to go through all of this, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. Before I go, I do have to say that this option is skippable. If you want, you can skip the details or skip the setup store details and do that later if you want to. But I would suggest that, get it out of the way so you don't have to do it later on. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will catch you guys in a second. Okay, so now we're on step 2. Over here, we have industry. In which industry does the store operate in? So it's fashion, apparel, health and beauty, electronics and computers, food and drink, home furniture, gardens, education, and others. I'm going to choose fashion, apparel, and accessories, and I'm going to click on continue. Now over here, we have physical products, download, subscriptions, membership, booking. So these are the type of products that will be listed. So I'm just going to choose physical products, and I'm going to click on continue. And over here, they're asking us, tell them about your business. So how many products do you want to be plan on displaying? So let's just say I don't have any products yet. And currently, where are you selling? Elsewhere. No, I'm not selling elsewhere. I'm setting up a store for our client. If you want to check that box, you can go ahead and check that if you want to. I'm going to click on continue, and over here, add recommended business features to my site. Okay, sure. Let's go with that. They're free. So let's go ahead and add that. Okay, so now we're at the fifth step where we just have to choose theme. So over here, we have all the themes. Over here, we have paid themes, and over here, we have free themes. So let's just choose free themes. So we have Astra theme, we have storefront, we have Delhi, boutique, 2011, we have all these different types of themes. So I think this would look pretty good. So I'm just gonna choose this theme. Okay, storefront was activated on your site. There we go. It's now activated. Click on, I'll just close that. Okay, so there we go. So now we're ready. All right. So these are some of the things that we want to do. So store details, we just added that. We have we have done that. We've just set up all of that. Now this is our inbox and stuff like that. Now what we can do next is we have our WooCommerce installed over here, right? So this is WooCommerce. So now we have orders, customers, reports, settings, and stuff like that. The down below we have products, analytics, marketing, Elementor, and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and click on product, and over here add a new product to our store. So now over here we can name the product. All right, we can add like a detail of the product. Over here we can add in the pricing, the inventory, shipping, linked products, and stuff like that. Then we can add a short description of the product. All right, so first is red check shirt, and over here I'm gonna write it's the most comfiest shirt ever, and I'm in this paragraph I'm just gonna write it's super comfy. And then down over here and then over here at the top in general I'm just gonna write, like, let's say it's worth $15.99 or $14.90 or $14.99, and the sale price is $10.99, right? $10.99. Now once that's done, now all we have to do is come over here onto the right side, and over here add the product image. Let's go ahead and set that. Here, upload files, select the file. Over here, this is the image. Click on open, wait a couple of seconds. There we go. Now we just have to set product image. There we go. As you can see, this is the image over here. And then down below we can add a bunch of different options as well. So once that's done, we just have to click on publish, and there we go. Product has been published, and we can view that product onto our main website. Now let me just go ahead and add in another product, and I will show you the website, and then I will show you how it looks like on the website. Okay, so now that we have uploaded the products, now we can go ahead and click on view the product. Now over here onto the website we can see the product itself. So we have the image over here, right? So as you can see, this is how it looks like over here. You can change the pricing however you feel like it, add in more description, and this is how it looks like. So you can go ahead and edit this theme as well, however you feel like it with the WordPress editor. That's basically done. So that is it for this video, guys. That's how you add WooCommerce over onto your WordPress website, and how you can add different products. And before I do end the video, I also would like to tell you how to add a payment method over here as well. So underneath WooCommerce over here, let me just go over here and click on settings. We have payments. In payments, and we click on payments over here, we have a bunch of different options. So we have cash on delivery, check payment, and bank transfer. We can enable them as well and then set them up as well. And once we've set them up, we can go ahead and finish up our website, and we can even add PayPal with WooCommerce as well. I would suggest using that if it's available in your country. So once you've done everything else, just enable them, set them up, and there you go. You're basically done. Then you can just tweak out your website to your own liking, and you're basically done. Add more products and your business is ready to begin. So these were the things that you need to know about WooCommerce and how you can set them up on your WordPress website. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as well. Having said that, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.